What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my next project whenever I do finish the truck project and the minor stuff that I need to do to it. This will be my next project, and I'm going to go ahead and start posting some videos of this. But basically it's a Massey Ferguson 203 supposedly. It's a Massey Ferguson 203. I've got the battery charger hooked up to it now. Take this off so I can get around. But anyway, it's supposed to be a Massey Ferguson 203. But then if you look on the thing, it says TL35. So I'm not sure, because I believe a TL35 and the Massey Ferguson 203 are like different machines. As you can see, it says Massey Ferguson 35. And it might just be this is different, or maybe it's like half and half. I don't really know. But anyway, here's the tractor. It is a Massey Ferguson of some kind, I can tell you that. Don't know which one, but I've got some stuff to do to it. I'll change that bucket out. It's not a bad tractor. It already runs, which is good. The alternator is not charging the battery, which is, I guess, bad. It does drive also, which is good. So I shouldn't have to do any major stuff to it. I do have to repair the hydraulics. As you can see, we got this back end, this big boom on the back. I'm glad I got the boom on the back. But yeah, it's got some busted hoses and stuff. As you can see, someone replaced them. Well, they didn't replace them. They just kind of covered it up and put a clamp on it and held it up for a little while. But yeah, it's not overall not too bad. Like I said, I got to fix the hydraulic leak, and I'll have to obviously replace some hoses. I'll probably just replace the hoses as needed, because to be honest, they could probably bust at any time. Some of them are newer, some of them are not. Some of them are probably original. But yeah, this is my next project, guys. So stay tuned to the channel for that. I am about to make a video soon on this. Just changing the oil and oil filter on this machine. You'll see a video on that very soon. So I appreciate you guys for checking out the channel. But yeah, stay tuned for the content. There's plenty of that coming to the channel on the truck and the tractor that I got. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.